"Oh, you are welcome home again," said this young man to his dear. "I've been waiting for you many's a night and day." "Oh, you are tired, you are pale," says this young man to his love. "You shall never again go away." "I must go away," she said, "when the little cock does crow, for here they will not let me stay. Oh, but if I had my wish, my dearest dear," she said, "this night should be never, never day." "Oh, my pretty, pretty cock, oh, my handsome little cock, I pray you will not crow before the day. And your comb shall be made of the very beaten gold, and your wings of the silver so grey. But oh, this pretty cock, this handsome little cock, he crew loud a full hour too soon. Oh, my true love," she said, "it is time for me to part. It is now the going down of the moon. Oh, and where is your bed, my dearest dear?" he said, "and where are your white holland sheets? And where are the maidens, my dearest dear," he said, "that wait upon you whilst you are asleep? Oh, the clay is my bed, my dearest dear," she said, "and the shroud is my white holland sheet. And the worms and the creeping things, love, they are my waiting maids, that wait upon me whilst I am asleep."